Namaste everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Namaste.
Good morning,
Okay.
sir. Namaste, sir.
Namaste, sir.
All right, everyone, please settle down.
Sir.
Nirja, wait a second, beta. Just give me a minute, please. Listen to my instructions first, everyone. Yeah, okay. Right, we have got good number of students in the class right now. That's very good. Now, everyone ready with the materials that I had asked? Yes, very good. Good job, everyone. Right now, listen up. Everyone, please listen up carefully. Listen first. Nirja, wait a second. Okay, now listen, everyone. What I'm going to do is we are going to do this activity online. The class is in recording. Okay, and I want to share this not only on YouTube, but I'm going to share it in VC Parivar. Like the whole school is going to see this class. Okay, so please, I want you all to behave your best. Right, that is one request to you all. Second thing, I'm not going to mute you today. Right, I'm going to keep the mic on. You can mute yourself, and when you want to talk something, you want to discuss something, you can unmute yourself and talk to me. Okay, but you will have to practice little bit of patience here. Right, don't just jump off, don't cut someone else. है ना, अगर कोई और बात कर रहा है तो आप बीच में माइक ऑन करके तुरंत शुरू नहीं हो जाओगे, है ना. You have to give that person a chance. Okay, yes. So here we go. I'm going to unmute you all. Right. Okay, अब आप खुद से unmute कर सकते हो. Okay, so Nirja, yes. Nirja wanted to say something. Yes. Nirja is gone or what? Yes, Akshat, tell me.
सर, हमको जो मटेरियल लाना था उसमें वो पेपर का तो पता चल गया, पर वो साथ में क्या लाना था?
एक सीजर्स, पेयर ऑफ सीजर्स, एक स्केल,
ये चलेगा?
पेंसिल. हाँ, सब चलेगा, चलेगा. That's good. Now, see, I'm taking a rough page, right? On this side, there is something printed. But my idea is, what I want to do is, I want you to first measure the length and breadth of this paper. Length and breadth. And in your notebook, you have to note this, okay? In your notebook, you must make a note of it. है ना? आज की डेट में पहले नोटबुक में चलो एंट्री डालो आज की डेट. Yes, everyone, please put today's date in the notebook, right, which is 12th October 2020. First of all, come on everyone, let's do it quick in your notebook. Right, 12th October 2020. Then you have to measure.
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat?
First, put today's date in your notebook. Then measure the length and width of the paper. Chalo, let's do it. Come on, everyone. This is an A4 size paper. Okay, so let's do it. Everyone, I'm going to start as well. I'm doing the work with you. Look at this. I'm going to check it with you also, right? I'm doing it with you. Come on, everyone.
Sir, we have to measurement length and breadth both.
Yes.
सर ये एग्जिट पता ही नहीं चल रहा कितना है.
करो करो, खुद से थोड़ा ट्राई तो करो. ऐसे ही छोड़ दोगे थोड़ी चलेगा.
Sir, is it okay if the paper is colored?
Yeah,
Sir,
that is fine.
29.5. Sir, 29.
Very good, Rishi. You are very close. That's very good job.
29.9, sir.
Very good, Anya. That is very close, but still you are missing.
We have to what do?
Sir, 29. Sir, 29.4.
29.8. मेरा वाला पेपर 29.8.
29.7.
Very good.
29.7.
One by one, please.
Sir, 30.
21
Yes, very
and
good.
29.
Very good. And what about the width? Yes, Dhwani, go ahead.
Ma'am, 20. Sir,
21.
Yes,
21 where, sir?
21 centimeters.
21.1.
Very
21.
good.
Sir,
Very good.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
21.
Now, okay, okay.
25.5.
Enough. That's enough. That's
21
enough.
and half, sir.
Right.
Sir,
Okay.
21 and 28.
Okay, that's enough.
21.
That's enough. Wait a second now.
21.
Yes, no problems. Now, just a second. Okay, so we have got the measurements with us, right? Now you have to find, all of us, we have to find the area of this paper. First of all, area and perimeter we will have to find. Okay, so in the notebook, come on. In your notebook, find the area and perimeter of the given paper, right? Come on, everyone. You know the formula. Use it. It's a rectangle, so
Sorry,
use
sir.
it. You have to find the area and perimeter of the given paper. Come on, everyone.
Sir.
Somebody is
सर ये
calling me
हाफ
right
हाफ
now.
का क्या करें हाफ हाफ का
कौन सा हाफ का?
सर वो 29 एंड हाफ है तो उसका क्या
हाँ तो डेसिमल मल्टीप्लिकेशन याद आया? यस, डेसिमल मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो करो, इस चैप्टर में सब कुछ आ जाता है. यस, वेरी गुड. कम ऑन, लेट्स डू इट क्विकली. Okay, come on, let's do it fast, everyone.
सर डन
Done?
1
Okay.
सेंटीमीटर
Hold on a second. Let's find out. Yes. So we have got, as you can see on the screen, length is now, your length might be different than mine little bit, hai na? 29.8 centimeter, and my breadth is here 21 centimeter. Width is 21 centimeter. Okay, I have got these dimensions for me. Okay, so first I will find the perimeter, which is 2 times L plus B. Yes, so I'm going to do 2 times 29.8 plus 21, which is 29 plus 21. There is no decimal point here, so I can just add directly, which is going to be 50.8. Yes, and multiplication of these two, 50.8 into 2, you can do it easily. 2 8s are 16, 1 carried over, right? I'm going to write it like this, right? So we have got 2 zeros are 0, 1 as such, and 2 5s are 10. Okay, so I have got answer 101.6 centimeter. Now this is my parameter. For me it is like 101.6. For you it might be little bit different. Okay, multiplication, right? And then area of a rectangle is length into breadth, which is 29.8 into 21. Easily found, you can easily find it, right? I can go for 298 and 2 1. I'm going for what method? Yes, can anyone guess? Yes, I can go for lattice method here easily. Yes, 2 2s is 4. Okay, 9 2s are 18, 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2,
6 to
9 1s are
5.8.
9, and 8 1s are 8. Okay, so 8 here, 9 plus 6 15, 1 carried over, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 2 12. So 1 carried over, 1 plus 1 2 plus 4 6. So 6,258, right, square centimeters. Yes, yes, everyone, is it matching up? Come on, everyone.
Sir, your voice is not reached to me clearly.
No problems, it's okay, because of the
my
internet.
answer is 638
That is fine, beta, that is fine.
Sir,
Your dimension might be different than mine, hai na?
My answer is 630 square centimeter and perimeter of mine is
Very good.
102 centimeter.
Very good. That is
Sir?
because, listen up, that may be because your length and breadth is different than mine. Yes, everyone? Now, understood? So you know how to find area and perimeter. Yes? All done? Very good. Very good. Yes. Now, everyone has completed their work. Has everyone completed their work? Multiplication done? Yes. Siddhi Khale, are you there? Yeah, there she is. Yes, Siddhi. Unmute yourself, beta. Yes. Have you done your work?
No, sir. My work is some left.
Okay, finish it up, beta, quickly. Okay, then we can go for the next part. Okay, then we can go for the next part. Come on, everyone. Let's do this.
सर हम सेंटीमीटर के अलावा इंचेस में कर सकते हैं?
इंचेस कर सकते हो बेटा, आप इंचेस से भी कर सकते हो. दैट इज, चलो कंसीडर दैट एज योर होमवर्क.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So find the area in inches, in square inches, and perimeter in inches. That is your homework. Okay, for this one. We will talk. Yes, Dhwani, please go ahead and ask what you want to talk.
Sir, my paper area is 681.64 centimeters.
Good job. Yes, very good. Perfect.
Sir?
Yes.
Perimeter is equal to 101 centimeter.
Sir?
Very good. Very good parameter. Good job. Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Haan,
sir, we have to do lattice method or
not
no?
necessary. Multiplication you can do by any method. The answer should be correct, right? The answer should be proper, and the method that you have done, the steps, if they are correct, the answer is going to be correct. No problems, right? So you can use any method, and I assure you, you will get full marks, right? Okay. Now let's do something else. On this paper, as you can see, you have to draw like this, lines like this. Okay, right? I'm going to share it.
Sir, I have got answer.
I know you might not be able to see this paper very clearly, so I'm going to share it with you.
Sir,
hold on a second. Where is this? Stop share. Yeah, okay, stop share, right? And I'm going to share with you the textbook where it is. Yes, come on, this one.
the textbook also has this one.
Yes, that's what it is visible on your screen. Page number 154 of your textbook, but as you can see it on the screen, okay? You have to draw like this. You have to draw lines like this. And that's what I am doing with you. Come on, let's do it quickly. Everyone,
Sir?
let's draw this. Yes.
Sir?
And please come.
Sir?
No.
Sir,
Yes, everyone, come on, let's do this. See, we have
sir,
got
how
Jyoti
many
ma'am here
lines
with
do
us.
we have to draw? Good morning.
You can draw as per your wishes, right? One line should be touching one side, the other line the middle line. Okay, like this. Come on, let's draw it as it is shown in the textbook. You can do it. Yes, can I do it later? So yeah, if you do it later, you won't be able to do it properly, right? You can do it, no problems. You can practice it later. Okay.
Sir, I have a postcard, so I can do.
Postcard, you do it as a homework. Let's focus on the A4 size paper.
Okay, sir.
Right, come on. Yes, let's do it quickly, everyone. So I am also drawing with you all. Come on, everyone, let's do it.
Sir,
Yes.
can you show me how
Hold on.
to do lines?
How to draw lines? Okay, no problems. All you have to do is first. So okay, because my all family is working and grandparents are here. Okay, see, yeah, no problems. You can do it later, beta. No problems. Now, see, first draw these two lines at the end, as you can see. Right? I won't be able to. Yeah, okay. And then you have to draw one middle line properly. One middle line here. Come on, everyone. One straight line in the middle. If I speak like this, it might sound like you are talking to a robot. Draw a line. Come on, everyone. Yeah, I can do a robot mimic. Come on, everyone. Let's do it. Right? A central line. Yes. And then one line which touches to the border of paper. One line touches the middle line like this. Come on. Do it quick. Yeah.
Sir, I am not able to do it.
You are not able to do it. You can see from the textbook also, beta. It is available in textbook also. Come on, let's do it. It is very easy. Draw the lines. Okay. Yes.
Sir, we have draw lines. What we have to do?
Now, wait a second, Rishi. Let others complete also. Just give them a minute, right? We have to consider the entire class. Come on. Use. Do you have the textbook with you, beta? Rishi, do you have the textbook with you? You can see the next step. Step number 3 is cutting it, but cutting it properly. That is what it takes. Yes, as you can see on your screen, this is the step number 3. This is what you have to do.
Sir, which page number?
On page number 154. As you can see it on your screen. Page number 154. Come on, everyone. Right? Then we have to cut it. I've got scissors in my hand now. All right. And then, come on, everyone. Let's begin. Okay. Now, as you can see it from the textbook, you have to cut it along the lines. See, this is the lines that you need to cut properly. See where they are cutting it from the borders area, right? Not okay. So we will start from there only. As you can see, I'm cutting it properly. Okay. And I got it like this. Come on, everyone. Let's do it quickly. Yeah, that's better, Mahir. You're doing a good job. Very good, Mahir.
Sir, but cut कैसे कर रहे हैं cut?
Scissors से.
सर वो तो बोलते हैं पर इधर कट करना है बीच
यहाँ से देखो, यहाँ से कट करना है. देखो ये पेपर का ये वाला हिस्सा जो हमने लाइन यहाँ पे ड्रॉ की है ना, जो बॉर्डर से टच करती है, वो वाला काटना है यहाँ से यहाँ तक. जो हमने सेंट्रल लाइन को अभी टच नहीं किया ना, फिर सेंट्रल लाइन अलग से कट करेंगे, है ना. देखो ऐसे स्ट्रिप्स बनानी है, राइट. लेकिन अलग नहीं कर देना है. दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट. कम ऑन, keep doing. Yes, very good. Mahir is doing a fabulous job. Good job, Mahir. Very good. Come on, everyone. Let me see who else is doing it properly. I hope your videos are on. Yes, Akshat, are you with me? Good job. I don't see anyone. Jeet is doing very meticulously. Good job, Jeet. What does meticulous mean? Very properly, with proper attention, with detailed attention. That is called as meticulous. 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 Right? कौशिक सर मैथ्स के साथ इंग्लिश भी पढ़ा रहे हैं आपको. Come on. चलो. Let's do it quickly, everyone. Yeah. See, Mahir.
Sir, I didn't know how to cut.
You don't know how to cut. It's okay, beta. See, यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. Look at my screen. Look at your screen. Right? Do you see this part? Okay, so I'm going to cut it from here, all the way. संभाल के, आपके पेरेंट्स आपके आसपास में होंगे तो उनसे हेल्प लेना है, उंगली ना कट जाए बस वही ध्यान रखना है ना, वो ध्यान रखना है जरा, उंगली मत काट देना, है ना। चलो वेरी गुड माहिर, गुड जॉब, यू आर डूइंग अ गुड जॉब, यस। So I'm going to finish it up, right? I'm going to cut it all the way, right? And then I will cut on both the sides, yes, and then I will cut the center line also. Come on, let's do it quick, everyone. There is no time to lose. Come on, everyone.
मम्मी अभी आता ही हुआ है।
अरे माइक तो बंद कर दो, मम्मी को बुलाने से पहले।
सर ये स्ट्रिप्स तो काट दी, अब क्या करूं?
अभी दूसरी तरफ से भी काटो, मैंने भी एक तरफ से काट दी है। चलो सेकंड साइड से भी काटना है सबको, गुस्सा नहीं होना है ना, और मम्मी पर तो बिल्कुल गुस्सा नहीं होना है। अगर आपने मम्मी से गुस्सा हुआ है ना, देख लेना फिर। So everyone, let's do it quickly. Yes, Prushti, you are doing it. You are doing a fine job. Yes, Prushti, good job. Come on, let's go ahead, finish it up. Come on, everyone.
सर अब तो आधा भी नहीं हुआ, बहुत देर लगेगी।
हाँ तो कोई बात नहीं, हमारे पास कौन सा टाइम की कमी है।
सर 30 मिनट होने।
हाँ तो 30 मिनट्स तो क्लास के खत्म हो गए, लर्निंग के थोड़ी खत्म होते हैं। लर्निंग नेवर स्टॉप्स, है ना।
यस सर।
Yes, that's better. Learning never stops. The day the learning stops, your growth stops, right? जिस दिन आपको लगता है कि हाँ अभी आपने बहुत सीख लिया, बस फिर उसके आगे आप कुछ नहीं सीख पाओगे। तो सीखते रहना है, ये मैंने अभी अभी सीखा है।
Sir, I have done. Sir, I have done the cutting.
You have completed the cutting part. Okay, then let's.
How much I have done?
Yes, you can show, please.
Sir, this is what is done. Sir.
Yeah, just a second. Show me. Yeah, good job. Mahir, you can show. Yeah, very good, Mahir. Look at Mahir's work.
Sir.
Everyone look at Mahir's work.
Sir, how can I do how can I cut from here?
See, the last line, right? The longest line over here. Anya has left the class and wants to rejoin. Just a second. Yeah, okay. So the last line is here, right? Last line is here, correct, everyone? So you have to pierce it and then cut it nicely like this. मैं ऐसे फोल्ड कर दूंगा उसको, और ये मैंने अभी अब यहाँ से हो जाएगा। ओके, तो ये मैंने पूरी लाइन काट, मुझे ये पूरी लाइन काट। एवरीवन प्लीज
लाइन को
ऑलराइट, देखो 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 पूरा कट रहा है अभी आराम से। चलो एवरीवन,
we have to do it like this, sir.
Hold on a second. Yeah, that's better. हो गया ये तो पूरा काम। सेंटर लाइन को काटा आपने, सेंटर लाइन को, जो पूरी लंबी सी सेंटर लाइन है। Yes.
Sir, it is like this.
So what we have got here is proper, right? See.
Or how to cut it. Can you show me, please?
Right, see everyone. Yeah, very good. And we have got
Sir, I have to cut
a
it.
proper.
Can you show me, please?
See, I can pass through my paper. Now let's see if you can do it or not. Let's see if you can do it or not. I'm going to do it. Yes. Yes. Oh, that didn't work.
काली हो गई है
For me, it didn't work. Let's see if you can do it. I think Mahir can do it properly. Mahir has done a well job. I made a mistake somewhere. Yes, Mahir, very good. You have done complete work here. Everyone, yes. Yes, the center line,
Sir,
Dhruvika.
how to cut it? Can you show me, please?
I can't see you.
You can't see me. I'm sorry. Because of the internet, you might not be able to see me.
Sir,
But don't worry.
drawn fully.
sir, see.
Sir,
Yes,
can
Anya
you
has done.
tell me how to cut this? Can you show me?
Hold on a second.
Sir, do we have to do it like this?
Hold on a second. Wait a second.
Sir, can it like this?
Yes. Hold on a second. Who is asking? Let me see.
Sir, do we have to do it like this?
Yes, see,
Sir,
Anya has
can
done
you
it.
tell me how to cut it? Please show me.
Yeah, Anya has done it. Hold on a second. Let's see.
Sir,
Anya's
it
work.
is like this only.
Yes, Anya has done it. Look, everyone. Anya has completed work. Anya, please show it to everyone. She has done complete work. Very good. Yes, good job.
Sir, how to cut it? Please, can you help me?
Dhruvika, just a second, beta. Just a minute. Mahir, you have to guide now. Come on. Tell everyone. How did you cut it? First, cut the central line. You can cut the central line, Dhruvika. Very good, Rishi. Rishi also has completed it. Very good. Nirja has made the central line. You need to cut, beta. Nirja, the central line.
Sir, but how can we cut the center?
Sir, I
You have to
don't know. Can you show me, please?
Hold on.
Cut it
See, this is your paper, right? This is your paper.
with cutter.
Now, yes, you have to fold it like this, right? Put a piercing cut here and then cut it. Okay? You have to use a point. Come on, do it. Do it. Yes. Come on, let's do it. Let's see how many of you can complete this task. Yes. Very good, Anya and
Sir, my belt is so long.
yeah, Shanvi has also completed it. Yes, Shanvi. Have you? Yeah, very good. You are halfway there. Now complete the work, beta. Yes, very good. Very good. Come on. Now this is given in the textbook. Who is talking in Gujarati now? Very good, Anya, Mahir. Shanvi has almost completed it. Come on. Come on, everyone. Dhwani, where have you stopped? Done? Okay, you're still working. It's a work in progress. Good job. Keep it up. Keep it up. Let's do it, everyone. Yes, Shubh. Keep up the work. Yes, very good, Gia. See, Gia is doing wonderfully. Gia is doing it wonderfully. See, everyone, look at Gia's work.
Sir, we have to cut it like this.
Yes,
In
very
the
good.
center.
Yes, that's the way it has to be done. Very good.
Sir, now what I have to do?
Who? Which one are we talking about? Hold on a second. Let me see.
Sir, you
Wait a
tell
second.
me to cut it like this. We have cut it like this.
Hold on a second, beta. Let me get a hint. Who is speaking now? Who is talking right now?
Sir, Dhruvika Kodwani.
Yes, Dhruvika. Yes, you have cut it in the center. Very good. I can see that. Yes, very good. Right. Okay, hold on a second. Yeah. Okay. Now we have to stick it. Okay.
Sir, now I have to what do?
Now, Dhruvika. Now you have to cut it from the sideways. From the sideways, like the way I started in the beginning itself. Right? Beginning.
Sir, I am slow.
Slok. Okay, Slok, you can do it as well. Come on, beta. Everyone can do this.
Sir, now
It will
what
take some
have to do?
practice.
We have to cut it from here.
Yes, that's where you have to cut it.
I have
Have you made two parts? If you have made two parts of the paper, it won't work, beta. Mahir.
Sir, we have to cut it
Okay.
from here.
Okay, I'm going to mute you all now. Yes.
Do it right.
Okay. Yes. Now, Mahir, can you please stand up and show the entire jhalar? The entire. Yes. Anya, you also please, beta. Very good. Yes. See? Oh. All right. All right. No problems, Mahir. You can do it again with your postcard. Right? Very good, Anya. See, she has done it wonderfully. Very good. It needs a little bit of finesse. है ना, थोड़ा सा ध्यान से काम करना पड़ता है तब ये अच्छे से होगा. Okay, right? So those who have not completed it, you can again try with another paper. And Mahir, like you said, like you requested, you can go for postcard. The entire activity is given on textbook page number 154. How to cut it and how to draw, everything is given there. You can check it out from there. And of course, this video will be uploaded. I'm going to post it, like I said, and I'm sure you will be able to do it. Okay. If you have difficulties, try to solve that. Okay. This is learning by doing. What we have learned is, right, what I wanted to show you by doing this, that we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, that how come a small paper has become so big, right? From A4 size paper, can you or me pass through that? Do you think Mahir could have passed from that paper? No, but after cutting it, now it is possible, right? So how perimeters and area change with dimensional changes, that's what we are going to learn tomorrow, and we will do some examples based on this. Okay, right, everyone? And meanwhile, what I want you to do is complete this task and wear it with proud. Unfortunately, mine is broken, so take a picture, right? I'm too big for this paper actually. This lockdown has made me more fatigued. Right? So then you can take a picture and post it, right, in the class group. I will request the class teacher to change the class settings for one day. Okay, that will start in the evening, so you have enough time. You can try it again after your classes. Okay, all right, everyone, that's it for the day. I will see you tomorrow with lots of examples. Before signing out, Sanvi has a question. Let's ask Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi, what do you want to speak, beta? Yes, please.
But like this.
Yeah, you are almost there, beta. Now the center line is to be cut. Okay, everyone. Bye, bye, everyone. Okay, Mahir wants to say something. Where is Mahir? Hold on a second. Mahir. Yes, Mahir. Yes, Mahir.
Sir, I repair my this. Sir,
Oh, you already. Very good, Jia. Very good. Now try to unfurl it. पूरा खोल के देखो, कोशिश करो पूरा खोलने की, अच्छे से हो रहा है कि नहीं. अच्छा, second part is remaining. You finish it up. Okay. I hope you enjoyed today's session, and I'm looking forward to see all of your pictures with your entire work. Okay. Bye bye, everyone. Have a good day.